Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Sometimes we need split multi-line text in one Excel cell to different cells in different column, or to different cells in different row. If you want to learn, watch to the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, leave a comment and subscribe. Now let's get started. Case 1. For example, I want to split this multi-line text into different cells in different column. Just click the cell, equal sign, text split. Click on it. Put the cell which includes multi-line text, the cell. Put comma. This comma, it splits text to different column. Then char. This one. Put number 10. Close bracket. Enter. You see, directly it splitted the multi-line text to different column. If you want to change it to different row, this time click this one, equal sign, text split. Put the cell which includes multi-line text, double comma, this one, 2, char, number 10, close, enter. That's the way. Have a nice time.